how to add Buy Me a Coffee to your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Buy Me a Coffee to your YouTube channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open up your browser. Once you're in the browser, make sure that you are in your Buy Me a Coffee account. Now that you're in here, make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you need to simply go ahead and click on your profile picture, and from here you need to go to View My Page option. Once you do that, this will take you to your page, and from here you need to simply go ahead and copy the link above. Once you do that, you need to head over to your YouTube. Now that you're in the YouTube homepage, you need to simply go ahead and click on your account icon over here. Here you need to click on View Your Channel. Once you do that, you can see an option that says Customize Channel. Now that here you need to scroll down, and here you can see an option that says Add Link. You need to simply go ahead and click on Add Link. In the link title, you can simply type Buy Me a Coffee. Now, once you do that, in the URL, you need to paste the link that we have copied before. And once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on Publish. Now, in order to check if the link has been published or not, you simply need to go to your account again, then click on your channel. And once you do that, you can see that you have linked your Buy Me a Coffee to your YouTube channel. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.